Can't hear WhatsApp voice messages on your iPhone? This could be due to volume settings, audio issues, or network issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue of not being able to hear WhatsApp voice messages. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. Turn off Bluetooth devices. Your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. After trying these basic settings, now try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap search icon. Type check my device on the search bar. Tap install icon. Then tap open. After that, tap allow/don't allow. Scroll down. Now tap microphone test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the record icon and try to record your voice. Then tap on the save icon to save your voice. Now tap on the play icon to check. If it plays your voice, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not working, that means there is a hardware issue. Solution 2. Check microphone permission. Open up the settings app. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the privacy and security option. Now scroll down again. After that, tap on microphone. Make sure to toggle on the WhatsApp here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on general. Next tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then, tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now, go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 5. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now, find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see Update option available there, then update the app. Hope now you can hear WhatsApp voice messages on your iPhone. If these solutions work, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.